You don't have to necessarily go to buy those servers or those computers. They're like computers for hire, computers for rent.
90% of companies waste thousands on cloud computing, and here's why. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So my name is Samuel Andrayi. I am the founder and CTO for Afrologic Solutions. I'm a techpreneur and a technology enthusiast.
So, how did you get into tech, or what inspired you to get into tech?
That's the one got me into tech. That's a very long story, but primarily I was influenced by my environment. I was influenced by driven by passion and curiosity to solve problems, to build and fix things. That's what got me into technology. Yeah.
Okay. So, in tech, for currently, what areas are you much focused on now?
Oh, so currently I'm a solutions architect with emphasis on cloud technologies, AI, robotics, and IoT. So those are like my strong areas.
Okay. How can you explain cloud to 5-year-old?
Well, basically, I'll say cloud computing is like computing that imagine you have a bunch of computers stored somewhere that can help you basically do anything or develop anything. You don't have to necessarily go to buy those servers or those computers. They're like computers for hire, computers for rent. You need a computer to do something, you just rent some time, use it, and when you're done, just move on. You don't need to own a computer. That's cloud computing.
Okay. What's the rewarding part of being into cloud architecture?
Well, the rewarding part is to see a lot of companies, you're helping companies cut costs. So they're not spending too much on infrastructure. I'll give you an example. Today, if you want to, let's say, build a system, gone were the days you're thinking of buying a server, right? You're thinking of buying a server, the networking, the internet, the power. But now cloud computing eliminates all that. You're not buying a server, you're not paying for internet, you're just practically only paying for the time you use that machine in the cloud. So there's a cost savings to it. And also there's a faster time to market. I can easily go to market with my product by just spinning up cloud servers, and it works for me.
So, when talking about security, how do you say cloud computing is helping with security?
It's as secure as you make it. And I'll give you an example. If you go and buy a security door, right, which is supposed to be bulletproof, whatever proof, and you lock the door and you put the key under the mat, and someone comes to take the key and open the door and steal stuff in the house, would you say the door is not secured? No, it's the practice. So cloud is as secured as you make it. So far as you follow proper standards, it's secure.
Wow. What's the challenging parts of being a cloud architect, or for you?
I would say it's just change. It's just policy change. A lot of people are stuck to old ways and they find it hard to really move to cloud. There's always a concern it's not secure. That's one. And for some people, it's also the policy and regulation. There's some policies that will not allow you to put data in the cloud, and it's just restrictive. But apart from that, it's an easy entry.
Okay. You made mention of entrepreneur. So, in the tech space, for someone who wants to be an entrepreneur just like you, what roadmap should he follow to be?
Just know your niche. Know your niche, know your product, know what you want to sell, know the service you want to bring, and just follow through to that. That's just it. Just know your niche and stay focused to your niche.
Okay. So, what one piece of advice will you give it to someone getting into tech or exploring what you've explored?
Have an open mind and have a growth mindset. Be ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn. That's it. That's how tech is, because tech is evolving. If you don't have that mindset, you'll be left behind.
And truly inspiring. If you enjoyed this conversation, then you are going to enjoy the next video.